Before starting our topic, first of all we revise about the gravitation. So what is gravitation? Earth attracts everything toward it by an unseen force of attraction, and this force of attraction is known as gravitation or gravitational pull. And now in this topic we discuss about the gravitational force formula. Universal law of gravitation states that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force of attraction called gravitation force, which is directed along the line joining the center of the objects, and that force remains directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. How to derive this formula? In this figure, here F1 is the gravitational force on object A due to object B, and it is toward the right side, which is shown by an arrow. Now F2 is the gravitational force on object B due to object A and is toward the left, which is again shown by the arrow that is toward the left. The force magnitude of that force F1 and F2 are equal, so we can write it as F1 is equal to minus F2. Here minus sign indicate that both the forces are in opposite direction. Now according to the universal law of gravitation, the gravitational force of attraction is directly proportional to the product of their masses. So it is represented as F is directly proportional to the m1 and m2. Here m1 is the mass of one object and m2 is the mass of another object. This is represented by equation 1. Now again the gravitational force between two objects is inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. So we can write it as F is directly proportional to the 1 by r square, which is represented by equation number 2. When we combine equation 1 and equation 2, so we get F is directly proportional to the product of masses, that is m1 into m2 divided by r square. So the formula for the gravitational force is F is equals to G into m1 into m2 divided by r square. Here G is the universal gravitational constant, and this is the derivation for the gravitational force formula. This gravitational force is a vector quantity, that means it has direction. Thank you.